Was it good?
Yeah, it was great.
Was it good?
It was, yeah, it was good. I'm just getting
sarcastic.
So fast. No one falls asleep that fast.
Alright, Tyler shaking the cereal like it's maracas. Take one. Mark. Tyler walking in and getting down the take one. Tyler conversation, take four.
Never take the love.
Oh, you're weird. Mark.
Dubstep.
More camera shake. Alright.
You're blocking it out. He's doing really weird dances, and we have
Tyler rummaging through the cupboard. Rummaging. You jerk.
Silas is rummaging through the cupboards.
Tyler's stupid, take two. Tyler jiving like a turkey, take three.
Oh,
Mark. This is set one for this shot.
Shakespearean actor. This
And
is set one.
Less accent, more natural. Natural.
So when you said Boston accent, you didn't know.
I meant Boston accent on the chieftain.
Hey.
And it's not, and when I said Boston accent, I didn't even mean Boston accent. I meant you kind of pull your face over like it's a Boston accent. But it's, yeah. And I already told you that it was only for chieftain. But I got it now, chieftain.
I got it now, Jason.
Alright, but it's not actually like hard British Boston accent. British Boston accent. British
Got it now,
accent. No. Natural. Alright, fine, just do it natural.
Got it now, Jason.
I didn't know you were trying to catch some
Didn't know you were trying to catch some C's, but got it now, Jason.
Are you recording that?
What are you recording?
He was playing Pac-Man with the slate.
No, I wasn't. He was talking like you.
I didn't know you were trying.
So everybody got the conversation from the clapboard's point of view.
You're a special person.
So
I am so hyper and bored right now.